How to access Lattice employee login. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to access Lattice employee login. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Lattice employee login and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search result. This will take you towards the login page. On the login page, enter your email address and password in the respective field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password link to reset it and follow the on-screen instruction. And that's it. You have access to your Lattice employee login on your device. Now you can enjoy various features such as setting goals, providing feedbacks, and managing performance reviews. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.